Hello friends, welcome to Live Fair Do Mathematics. Today we are going to present you the solution of questions mathematical problems came in NDA exam 2020. Okay, so the problem says read the following information and answer the three items that follow. Let a sin square x plus b cos square x equals to c, and b sin square y plus a cos square y equals to d, and p tan x equals to q tan y. Then what is tan square x equal to? What is d minus a over b minus d equal to, and what is p square over q square equals to. So now we are going to solve the first problem. So what is tan square x equal to? Okay, so what is given in the first equation? We have given a sin square x plus b cos square x equals to c. Okay, so now we have to manipulate this equation. So divide both sides by cos square x. Then what will we get? We will get a sin square x by cos square x plus b cos square x by cos square x equals to c by cos square x. Okay, so now this gives a tan square x plus b cos square x and cos square x cancels equals to c sec square x. Now we can write this again as a tan square x plus b equals to c. We can write sec square x as tan square x plus 1. Now we can write this equation as a minus c tan square x equals to c minus b. Okay, so what we have now? We have now tan square x equals to c minus b by a minus c. Okay, so tan square x is equals to c minus b over a minus c. Okay, so option A gives that tan square x is equals to c minus b over a minus c. So option A is the right answer. Okay, now let us move to the next problem. What is d minus a by b minus d equal to? Okay, so now we have to find what is d minus a over b minus d equals to. Okay, so now instead of d we put this b sin square y plus a cos square y. Okay, so put b sin square y plus a cos square y instead of d. Okay, and d minus a is this over b minus d. So instead of d we put this, so we will have minus b sin square y minus a cos square y. Okay, so now we can write this as, look, b sin square y, and we can write a cos square y minus a as like this, minus a time 1 minus cos square y. Okay, and similarly we can write b minus b sin square y like b times 1 minus sin square y minus a times cos square y. Okay, so what we have now? So we have now b sin square y minus a times 1 minus cos square y, and that is equals to sin square y. Similarly, this gives b times 1 minus sin square y can be written as cos square y minus a cos square y. Okay, so now we can write the numerator as b minus a sin square y. Okay, so taking sin square y common, and the denominator can be written as denominator, so this is cos square y. So b minus a and b minus a cancels, so what we have now? Sin square y over cos square y, and that is equals to tan square y. Okay, so d minus a over b minus d is equals to tan square y. Okay, so d minus a over b minus d is equals to tan square y. So option C is the right answer. Okay, so now let us move to the next problem. What is p square over q square equals to? Now we will use this identity, p tan x equals to q tan y. Okay, so right here p tan x equals to q tan y. So we can write this as p over q equals to tan y over tan x. Now make square both sides, So we will have p square over q square equals to tan square y over tan square x. Now what is tan square y? Now from here we have tan square y equals to d minus a over b minus d. Okay, d minus a over b minus d equals to tan square y. So we put this. In place of tan square y, we put d minus a over b minus d. Okay, and 1 by tan square x. Okay, so what was tan square x? We got that tan square x is equal to c minus b over a minus c. So 1 by tan square x will be equal to, just reciprocate this. Okay, a minus c over c minus b. So we put here a minus c over c minus b. So what we get? Tan p square over q square equals to d minus a times a minus c and over b minus d times c minus b. Now this can be written as, okay, we can write this as, if we take minus out from both numerator and denominator, we will get a minus d over d minus b. And similarly, if we take numerator minus out from numerator and denominator, this will give c minus a over b minus c. Okay, so what will be our answer? Look, a minus d times c minus a, here is a minus d times c minus a over d minus b times b minus c, d minus b times b minus c. Okay, so option B will be the right answer. So thank you friends for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends, and we will come back shortly with this kind of video again. So please stay tuned with us. We will give all the solutions of NDA exam 2020. So please stay tuned with us. Thank you.